Alright, this is an Echo PAS 225 Weed Whacker with the Weed Whacker head that has a self-retracting string, so makes it very easy. First thing you got to do, because I ran out of string on this, so first thing you got to do is see these eyes right here. You got to line them up to the top part where that little triangle comes down. So we twist it till now the eyes are lined up. You can see it goes straight to the other end. So now we're ready to wind in our weed whacker. Now, I usually do 3 arm lengths approximately. Lengths 1, 2, 3. And come over the weed whacker head and you run it outside the other hole. Oh, there we go. So it's even, approximately, give or take. And we're going to wind. So, wind, as you can see, it winds up pretty quick and easy. One more. There we go. Now, see, this is the clip. This is the maximum length, so it'll cut off if you're weed whacking, and as you weed whack, you bump, and it feeds more string. It'll cut it off to keep it safe. It's super easy. Compared to my other weed whackers, never, this is no winding and putting it back together and stuff like that. Just stick it through. I'm ready to get back into the weed whacking. Okay, I'm just getting my weed whacker ready to start. First thing I'm going to do is get my hearing protection. Always safety first. These things are pretty loud. I don't want to lose my hearing, so I'm going to gas it up. I got 50 to 1 gas and 2-cycle engine oil in here. Open up the gas tank, fill it, make sure it's filled up. I usually do 1-gallon batches. I make 1-gallon batches so the gas doesn't get stale on me, and I always put stabilizer in, prevent that ethanol. They say the ethanol fouls the small engines, but I find the stabilizer helps a lot. I haven't really had any problems with my small engines as long as I keep it stabilized. Now, first thing now, we're ready to start. Push the button up. This is your safety button that ends it. That puts it so it's ready to go. We will prime the pump, prime the thing, press approximately 8 to 10 times until it gets firm. You choke it here, give it gas, and we're ready to go. But, oh, wait, first put my hearing protection on. Safety first. Give it a pull. It rumbles, so then we put it into midway choke.